Alright everybody, welcome back to another video. We're playing a game called Squirrel Stapler. This was recommended to me by my good friend Tep Does Things, my former best friend. Go watch his most recent video if you want to learn a little bit about that. I'll link it in the description. But apparently this is some kind of horror game, so I guess we're gonna see what it is. It kind of looks like some Oregon Trail thing though. Okay. We wait for it all so that our love. Look at my beloved. The flies have made her ugly and rot. Yeah, they have. Is this the spit bucket? I wish she were beautiful, like the squirrels of the wood. So I will cover her in the squirrels of the wood. What? Book of the Grove, chapter 4, verse 1. Saith the goat of the wood, thou shalt not staple squirrels. But what if I want to staple squirrels? Okay, just pick that up. There's no jump. There's a crouch. Which way did I just come from? Some plates. There's also no sprint. Okay. In 5 days, God is coming. What? Day 1. It's time to hunt the squirrels. Oh, it went away. Okay, yeah, we got a sight. I heard something. I'm just hiding in the foliage. I'm just a man amongst the foliage. I do want to meet this god fellow. Okay. You just gotta lock in. I hear something this way. Might be in a tree. We do got a nice little place out here. Okay. I'm not seeing any squirrels to staple. Oh, I hear a little something. What in God's name is that? Is that a blaze from Minecraft? Alright, let's go check this thing out. Oh, is that more bullets? I believe so. Holy crap, I think I got it. Looks like we're eating good tonight, boys. Yes, sir. Yes, indeedy, I did. Alright, let's go find another squirrel. I don't know if there's a reload button. Oh, it looks like I can outsummit this hill. That is alright. I just need to find another squirrel to shoot. Sandy cheeks. Like, sit up here. Can't tell. Oh, it is a squirrel. Oh. I believe I hit it. It actually, I think I saw it move. Nope, I got it. This rate, I'm gonna be squirreling staplers till, I don't know, till the end of time, I guess. Beautiful squirrels of the wood are all mine. What in the heck? Why do I hear a pig? Why is there a pig somewhere? I'm not hunting pigs. Oh, what is that? I don't like all these. It does sound like... Okay, so I'm actually, despite my normal voice, from the American South. It does sound like a summer day. They did a great job on the ambience. I will say that. Where are these squirrels hiding at? I hear something. Maybe up in the tree. Let's get a good vantage point again. Oh yeah, it's definitely in the tree. I don't think I can get them when they're in trees though. Maybe it'll blow out the tree. I'll be able to hunt it down. Oh, shoot. I had it. Got away. I'm standing amidst the foliage. The weirdly cross-shaped foliage. Oh, it's up there. I think if I just wait, it'll come down. Because it was right in here. I will play the waiting game. Oh no, I don't like this game anymore. I heard that whisper and it is no longer something I'm a fan of. Oh, it went up the tree. Oh, it went over. It didn't go up a tree. We need to find a way to get the squirrels to come out. So I gotta find the beautiful squirrels of the wood. Alright. Where are all them squirrels at? I see a squirrel. Oh, it's too fast. Ain't no way I was gonna hit that. I gotta save my ammunition. What the heck was that? I didn't like that. I don't like this dark area. See that dang squirrel? I don't think I can hit that. I don't know if there's bullet drop or not. Oh, I think I got it. Alright, I don't like this area. It's a little dark for my liking. But I got a gun, so I'll probably be fine. Oh, I did not kill that squirrel, did I? Oh, shoot. I thought I killed it. That thing was not moving. Alright, I guess we're gonna go this way. Oh shoot, I see it. Oh. What the? Where is it going? I don't know, that one freaked me out. I didn't want to shoot it. Alright. We got squirrels in this area and more ammunitions. Should be good hunting. Once there was a lonely artist who lived by himself in the woods. Desiring to ease his loneliness, he saved his meager earnings to purchase a fine paintbrush crafted from the hair of a beautiful woman. Artist loved his paintbrush so much that he used it to paint the woman who had given her hair for its creation as he imagined she must look. He was then informed that due to a terribly mix-up, the hair had actually come from a wild boar. Come back tomorrow for part 2. Why would I need help? Ain't nothing attacking me. Alright. Seems we got one right here. Oh, no way I missed that. It's getting away. Alright. Just wait for it to appear. Oh shoot, I gotta reload. Yeah, I saw Kendrick drop. Stop showing me, I listened to it already. Sorry, y'all. Alright, we need 2 more squirrels, and then we will be riding high, getting ready to staple into my beloved. Alright. Where's all them damn squirrels at? Oh. Oh man. I don't know where that went. I don't know, I think just crouch walking and waiting for the valleys are pretty good ways to find squirrels. If I get a good vantage point. Also, I ain't heard nothing creepy in a little minute. Alright, one more. What is that? Found today's geocache. 1 out of 5. Find all 5 in one playthrough for a reward. I could be down to find a little reward. I feel like this game would be better streamed than to make a video. But I guess we're just gonna do that maybe another time. I saw there was like another mode or something. Where's all these dang squirrels? Where are they all hiding? Go on to Papa. I don't know why I said that, I'm sorry. I can't even see that. No! Oh, I actually got that. Or, I mean, I actually got that. That was crazy. Right, that should be the last squirrel. Reload my gun. These are enough squirrels for today. Alright, how do I get back home? I think it's this way. Yes, sir, it is. Perfect. There's a squirrel right here. Oh, it ate off the poison grass. Yeah, do not eat that. I would not recommend it. Where do I need to go again? This house is confusing. Oh yeah, I hear it now. You go to sleep. You are sleeping. You're right, I am. Alright. Gotta lock in for day 2. We'll see what squirrels we find today. No time for breakfast. 5 days God is coming. I think it's 4 days. Oh man, I'm getting more squirrels. Wait, it said I have to get a big squirrel today? How am I supposed to find no big squirrel? I ain't never seen no big squirrel. My god. Where are all the big squirrels at? No, you didn't see me. Gosh darn it. How did that thing see me? Be one smart squirrel. Alright. You just gotta lock in. It's kinda chilly in my room right now. I usually record with a jacket on, but since I got no face cam today, I didn't put it on. Yeah, I'm feeling a little under the weather, so that's why it's just the heart monitor. But we should be back next week with the face cam. I hear the squirrel. I think it's in the tree again. They always be going. All squirrel do is hide in tree and lie. You ever notice that about the squirrel? Hiding amongst the foliage, just like me. Kind of want to know part 2 about that story of the guy with the. It sounds like it's about to rain. It's real windy. It blows in the summer clouds. Oh, I could use the compass. I need to figure out which way the house is. I think it's just dead south, maybe? It's in a corner of the map. Gosh, on no single thing. I can't find nothing. Oh, I saw that one squirrel. Oh, my mouse died for a second. I saw that thing. Oh, that thing went up the tree. Is that the giant squirrel? I think I missed it. Shoot. Oh shoot, I killed it. I didn't think I got it. I think that's a giant squirrel. Nope, that was just a normal squirrel. It's a double squirrel. Oh. Oh. Maybe that means if I can leave dead squirrel hanging around, I can bait another one over. I just need to find a big squirrel. I don't even really know what I'd be looking for. I guess in the meantime, we'll go over to where we were yesterday. I don't think these trees are quite grounded as much as they should be. The artist was inconsolable and spent his days weeping and taking his portrait on long walks in the rain. On one of these walks he encountered an old woman who said, "Ah, young man, I can see the reason for your despair. Come with me." For a few pennies, she said, his treasured painting could be brought to life. The artist was overjoyed and the spell was cast. Then did he remember that he had only painted the woman from the waist up. Am I the artist? Is that why I keep hearing the pig noise? I think the corpse might have only been waist up. I think that's about me. I think it's giving me backstory. Let alone... Oh, God. God, I hate the ambience in this game. It's actually kind of freaky, because it's like, you're so alone. Oh, there's clearly some things. There's 2 squirrels up here. If I can even go up this hill. Which I don't think I can, actually. That kind of sucks. Alright. Let's park ourselves up here and see if we can't find no squirrels. What a giant one that is. Can't see no giant squirrels anywhere. I don't even know of what I'd be looking for. That's just a normal squirrel. Vengeful ghost squirrel. Where did that go? Oh! I suppose that is what damages me. Oh, that was scary. Wish I had a better gun than this. I keep forgetting to reload it too. So I see what damages me now. So I think it'd be best to camp up around. Can I really not get up this? Oh, I did. Okay. Around that area over there. So that's where I saw the health pack. I had the double squirrel. Any controls I don't know about? Use call. What does that mean? Hit F? I get a squirrel call? That's crazy. Alright, so I think we might be able to use that. See if we couldn't bait out some giant squirrels. Alright, doesn't seem like we're having any luck over here. Make my way back over this way. What? Where are all these big squirrels at? What is that? Energy drink. Double speed. I don't need double speed. Guess we'll make our way back over here. That's just the thing. I don't know what these are. Alright, let's head over here. Let's just wander around and hope we find a giant. That scared the crap out of... That scared the bejesus out of me. Oh my goodness. I don't like vengeful ghost squirrels. I'll say that much. But yeah, it looks like this is the way back to my house. Double squirrel. I see it. That is not a squirrel fact I wanted to know. I did not even read that out loud. Someone better make a highlights compilation of me hitting no scopes on squirrels. Because I am a different beast when it comes to doing this. I don't know what that is. Small abnormal readings still occurring with odd regularity. Recalibrating always fixes them, but they always come back the next day. I always keep finding dead squirrels outside the door. So maybe an animal's leaving them, but I'm noting it as per my instructions. Is this the door? There is no door. That is. The heck just hit me? Yeah, it is a blind. Got some of those near where I live. You know, I don't know how to find a giant squirrel. But if there's one thing I will stick true to for this channel, it is I will never look up guides or videos while I'm playing the game. Find the XL squirrel. I'm just gonna head back home, see if I find anything. Well, I said I want to go home. I just don't know really where home is. What is that? Is this the house? Looks like it. Oh no, this is not the house. What the what was that? Commit sins at the Shady Shack to boost your... What is committing sins? What sins am I committing in there? I didn't even mean to go in. Why is the shack shady? "14 squirrels were arrested in Ireland." What is that? Is that the geocache? I did find it. I want that special score. I'm just a crackhead running through the woods on an energy drink with a gun trying to find squirrels. This is the realistic American South experience for all you Europeans. What is this? With a scope, use your ears. Stay low. Alright, nothing there. Alright, I see it now. think that was it. Or I think that was it. That was not... That was a double squirrel, gosh darn it. Oh, let's go. That is the big boy. Alright, let's head back this way. Alright, we are back. We are creeping through the house, and we are going to go staple some more squirrels. Nah, it looks like she got... Yeah, she had legs. So maybe I'm not the guy. Alright, I guess we're sleeping. Yes, we are. Alright, let's get back in. I think we can figure out a little better this time how to get the giant squirrel. I think there was only one though, because it said the big squirrel. It didn't say big squirrel. Is this the right way? Yeah. 5 days, God is coming. Yes, sir, he is. Alright, day 3. Something was scratching on the windows last night. I should look for tracks. What is this? Large predators. What do you mean large? What large predators? Okay. Yeah, they're not. Is that a bear? Might be a bear. Alright. I guess we're gonna be real careful, like. I mean, I got a gun, so I should be able to shoot things that are trying to kill me. So we got the general direction. We just gotta be careful not to run into a bear or whatever those tracks were. I don't know. It looks like a bear. I'm not a track expert. But if I had to pick an animal, that would be my guess. Yeah, I see you. Oh. Is he nasty with it? Chat. Should I play Valo again? Am I coming back? Chat, is that a bear? Oh! Oh no! What was that? I have no idea what in Satan's belly button that was. Alright, I need to get somewhere with a health pack. Oh, shoot. I really blew that one, didn't I? Oh, wait. I think I got it. I don't know. Either way, we do need to go that way. Lost limbs? Is that true? They can regenerate lost limbs? Like an arm? That's actually wild. Yeah, I did. I do not like the, oh yeah, there it is. I don't like being in this large open clearing. But I guess I gotta brave it. I just gotta not run into one of those big boys again. That thing was terrifying. Unless I can get a health pack. Oh shoot. Alright. Where's the map? Alright, I'm not too far. I just gotta head back this way. Alright, and we're back home. Okay. I really am not liking this game. It's a little too scary for me. But why can't I? This is my house. Where are my squirrels? I got the squirrels, right? Hold on. Oh. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna go to bed, honey. See you in the morning. While the squirrels are still in here. Alright, I will be right back. I gotta go feed my dogs. Alright, and we are back. I was feeding my dog. It was gone for about 5 minutes, and now I am back. Let's take a little walk out, and we will be good. Alright. God! How many times do I have to shoot that thing? Is this day 4? I believe. My dead grass trap only caught one thing. Oh man, the squirrel's in the deep woods this time. Shoot. I only got 2 bullets. I got no bullets. Shoot. Alright, we're... Jeez, it is so loud. Oh my god. Alright. Restart the day. I mean, I was getting friggin' spawn camped by those guys. I don't even know what I was supposed to do there. I guess it's Crouch Walk City for this. At least I don't hear those guys right away this time. Is my mouse dead? It always happens while I'm recording. I didn't notice that. Alright. Hopefully I don't die while I'm plugging my wired mouse in. And we are getting back to work. I'm not getting used to this new sensitivity. This is what I used to use when I played shooting games. And in case you're wondering, I'm not going back to the Sinful Fangs shack or whatever it was called. That was weird. Should be fine. Double squirrel does get me too. That is a vengeful squirrel. Honestly, low-key might be better to let the vengeful ghost squirrel just hit me instead of... Yeah. Because I don't really care about the damage so much as I care about staying more sneaky-like. You feel me? Squirrel are always watching. What does that mean? Is that really a fact? I heard that. Hiding behind a tree. There's a vengeful ghost squirrel up on the hill. Shoot, it's this way. It's southwest. Dead southwest. Alright. I hope I don't... I feel like the monster's gotta be close. One of them. Because I can take a monster hit, but I can't take another monster and a vengeful squirrel or two monsters. So the vengeful squirrels are actually going to be kind of annoying, even if they're pretty easy to hit. I hate how the wind noise is so realistic. I feel like I can hear it in real life. Or, I mean, feel it. Obviously, I can hear it. But it's like almost a 4D type thing. Let's do this way, straight west. I wish the compass was more than 8 directions. like it actually adjusted because it's just clicks. It's really basically Southwest. Just think about it like Fortnite prop hunt. Nothing will be weird. Alright, what are you gonna say to me? Can debone a human male in under 3 hours. I mean, yeah, probably. They got those big front teeth. I do not doubt that. There's the radio tower. Maybe I should go see the lore. Because I do want to see the lore. I want to know it. I will put this whole operation at risk, though. Alright, I did not know what direction it was coming from. Let us go see the lore. I heard the squirrel. The artist lifted the axe, tears streaming down his face. The half-woman continued to scream and claw. He brought the axe down. Her left arm rolled across the floor, and still she screamed in wrath. Brought it down again, separating her skull into 2 parts, and somehow still she screamed. Again the axe came down, and again, and again, and again, until she screamed no more. I guess he was trying to put her out of her misery. Where is this? Just hit me, pussy. Alright, that was hard, y'all gotta admit. Y'all gotta give it to me with that one. Tab. I hit M like it was Fortnite. Alright, so it's just, yeah, it's just southeast. So if I head this way. Go back home. Guess tomorrow God is coming. Whatever that may mean. She's not in Lord. We're in here. Alright. Oh boy. We are heading back home. There's a lot of squirrels. Alright, last day. I guess this is when God is coming. I don't know who God is. I'm sure that it would be nice to meet him. But we'll find out about what's going on. God is coming today. Yes, sir, he is. Praise the Lord. Seems sane as always. Oh, I want to read the lore. The Bible verse. At least we know that the squirrel blind and the giant hillside watchtower of health. You have made her. There are more squirrels than you have bullets, and you've made her very, very angry. Well, I can get infinite bullets. So I don't think that's true, unless there's no refill. In which case, I only have 1 extra. So I might want to be careful about that. I guess just head to the middle. A little bit of northwest action. I don't know who the heck is her. Like the singer? She was at the Super Bowl with Usher. Saw that on my TV. Back when I had one, obviously. Don't have one in my house. Alright, let's just head on up and see what there is to see. But yeah, I reckon my strategy will be to go camp up top near that health thing. I don't know what that noise was. It should be up here. No, stop whispering at me. I don't know why, but whispering always freaks me out in games. So if you wanted to design a horror game to torment me, put a little bit of that, I would say. The artist's ears rang as he turned to the old woman and said, "What is this unspeakable horror that you have brought to me? How can I ever escape what has been done? What penny spell can you cast to conjure good from this?" And the old woman examined the bloody mess and said, "Well, young man, this'll make a mighty fine stew." And so they made a stew from the remains, but it was poison and they both died. Art will eventually destroy the artist. They end. It's such a lazy written ending. But it was poison, so they both died. Why was it poison? How was it poison? There's no, like, explanatory variable there. I don't know. Oh lord. It might be in a bit of a bad situation. Squirrel there. I think that still damaged me. So it is 3 shots. And they also cannot get in. Art will eventually destroy the artist. So if I'm viewing the squirrels as art like it's been saying, then the squirrels are gonna kill me? That was a pretty far shot. How far? 140. It's one of my favorites. Oh, is that a dead one? Zombie one? No. Like, I don't want to kill squirrels, but the game... I hate that. There it is. So then we just gotta... I want to go back up to the mountain and find the big squirrel. God, what a weird game. I don't know why Tip Does Things always recommends me the weirdest games. He's the one who got Technician's Nightmare. Have I done any other games he's recommended yet? I don't think I have. But he sends me recommendations for games. And this is one of them. And he seemed to be real excited about this. He specifically said don't look at any spoilers. So. It's just a normal one. That's the big one. Alright. I'm gonna line up so I can be running home. Wait, am I close to home? No. We need to go southeast. So I'll grab it from this side. So I have a feeling once I pick it up, something bad's gonna happen. Yeah, God is coming in 2 minutes. I must prepare to meet God. Alright, let's go home. Alright, y'all, it has been good to know you. I guess I'm meeting God and y'all aren't. I don't know in what context I'm meeting God, or why, or how, or what's really going on at all. But it should be a great time. I'll reload. Just in case I have to shoot God. He's evil. Yeah, we should be right about home. There's the munition supply. Thought I could see it from home, but I guess there's not one right there. What is going on? What is this? Chat, what is this? Guys, Alvin and the Chipmunks are here. What is going on? What is going on? God! What does that mean? What does that mean? Guys, I think God's coming. What is happening? My God. Oh. Thank you everyone for watching. This is an experience. I hope you liked the video. Shout out Tep Does Things for recommending me one of the weirdest games I've ever played. Probably the weirdest. Have a wonderful evening, and good night.